The sound you are about to hear is radio interference. First heard in July of 1976, the mysterious signal interfered with communication systems worldwide. Its final transmission in 1989 was soon followed by the breakup of the Soviet Union. At the end of the Cold War, we learned what NATO had apparently known all along. The source of the interference came from a top-secret military structure deep inside the former Soviet Union. 14,000 tons of steel and 150 meters high, this was the largest HF antenna in the world. Hidden in the forest surrounded by its own small military town called Chernobyl 2, after the nearby town of Chernobyl. It cost twice as much to build as the Chernobyl nuclear power plant and consumed over a quarter of its power. Guarded by its own air defense system, it was once one of the most secret places on Earth. After the breakup of the Soviet Union, it now lies abandoned inside the radioactive exclusion zone of the Chernobyl power plant. Some believed it was a Soviet experiment in mind control, whilst others speculated that its purpose was to control the weather. And in the West, all we heard was ticking. To find out more about Duga, visit the Crazy Places website.